Today we're going to be showing you how to extend the battery life on your iPhone. It's really easy. First, unlock your iPhone. Tap Settings. Tap Mail, Contacts, and Calendars. Tap Fetch New Data. You'll see options for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, hourly, and manually. Go ahead and select hourly. Go back. Go back again. Go to General. Tap Background App Refresh. Mine's already switched off. See green means on. Go ahead and make sure that's switched off. Go back. Go back again. Tap on Notifications. Pick some apps that you rarely use. Turn off the push notification. Go back. Pick another app that you rarely use. Turn off that push notification as well. Go back. Go to Display. Turn off Automatic Brightness. Select something that's comfortable for you, and you can change the brightness at any time using the control panel seen here. Pick something that's dim enough that'll save your battery. And that's it. Thanks for watching.